Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another unboxing. This is the Nothing Headphones A, I think, yep. So if you watch my unboxing or my hands-on impression with the Nothing Phone 4 A Pro, I got this on early drop-off on the, nearly 2 weeks ago, over a week ago anyway. I got it in Harrods. Harrods is in Knightsbridge, one of the most famous stores in London, UK. And this actually came free with it. Usually I get earbuds, but this is the first time I got a headphones. And so I thought, you know what, I was actually umming and ahhing if I wanted to unbox it, but I decided to unbox it. Why not? Because I'm currently using 4 headphones. One for PC gaming, one for my TV, watching movies, one for my just standard browsing the web, and one for just listening to music at night, chilling. So this one, I'll probably unbox it, use it for a bit, and put it back in until my other headphones, one of my headphones starts to break. So think of it like a backup. So let's unbox this. It's a pretty big box. Give you an example. So this compared to a phone of mine. So you can see the size of that. This is nearly a 6.8 inch screen. So you can see just the size of this box. Okay, looking forward to this. Never had a Nothing headphones. I got 3 Nothing buds from the previous freebies I got from the other phones. First time. So just like the other products, like the phones, a little strip here. Oh, okay. Oops. It's not as easy as, there you go. Not as easy as you said. Oh, nice little lip there. Let's unpeel this. There's one thing about tech I love is a lot of companies put a lot of effort in unboxing their products. Ooh, look at that. It's nice, isn't it? So I'll keep that here. Let's go and see what's actually available so this doesn't come off. Oh, nice. This is actually well thought of, isn't it? It's got a nice little pouch for your headphones, I suppose. Oh, by the way, retail price, this would be £149. That's probably why I would love to have like a like some like Sony ones or other headphones where you get like a pack, solid one. I suppose I have to kind of cut some corners somewhere, but still pretty nice. I probably won't use it. Probably put other stuff in there. Okay, put that aside. And okay, got cables. So you got C to C, and I assume this one is a audio jack 3.5. Yep, 3.5 to 3.5. So you got 2 cables. This one probably to charge, and for phones that has a USB-C only. This is for, I don't know, classics. Yeah, and that seems about right. You do have paperwork, which, paperwork's all the same. There you go. Okay, time for the main event. Oh, this, just picking it up. It has some weight to it. It's not as, if you hold it from the top here, there is some, not so, the weight is not that good distributed. You've got that bit here, which is a cushion. It was a bit small, but I'll try that later. So Nothing always has some pretty unique designs, just like their phones. You can see most companies will have like just a rounded ear cup. This one has a square, round, and a rounded cushion. So you can see actually feels quite comfortable. So here you have the headphone jack, USB-C, probably on and off, and syncing it to your phone or other devices. Oh, you got this is supposed to be the slider, probably for the volume or something like that, or maybe even track lists on your phone. So I give that a try. This is the volume rocker. There you go. And then the other side, there's nothing. I wonder when it says left or right. Okay, so here it says right and left. So right and left. Let's see how easy it is to pull. Okay, not bad. It's a bit, quite stiff. Okay, so that was a sudden movement, because some companies you can see that you can just give it a little push, little pull. It does. You do put a bit of. So pulling it out is actually easier, and then pushing in, you need a bit of. Okay, so you see that. So pushing out, you can actually control the way it goes, but pushing back in, you need a bit of strength to push it back in. And the same side here. Oh, this one, okay. Feels like the right one's a bit looser. Okay, now it's a bit, maybe I have to do this more often. Give it like rubbing, to loosen it up. It sounded dirty, and didn't it? There you go. And push it back in. Yeah, so I want to see how this works when I'm really listening to it. It has a slight, tug and pull to it. Unlike the other headphones I have, this bit is usually pretty smooth. Okay, so I need to try it out and give maybe a verdict, a hands-on impression. So this is the morning time. I'll probably go out with this, spend a couple hours, play around with it, check out the music, give my friend a phone call, see how the microphone is, and I get back to everyone in about 2 to 3 hours. Give a more of an in-depth, hands-on impression. And it does. Oh, okay. So it seems like it only does one side. So for £149, you have to think. Unlike some Sony Bose and anything like that, they're going for like 250, 300. So okay, it's a shame it doesn't go both ways. So this is my first Nothing earphones, so I can't compare to the Nothing One that was released about 7-8 months ago. But that was more expensive. I think it's about £100 more expensive. So I can't compare. So I'm just going to go off this and compare it to my other headphones I have. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to go out with this for a few hours and check back at me in a minute. I'm going to cut to myself in the future. Well, only a few hours in the future. And I give you my hands-on impression. What's the likes? What's the don't likes? Is it worth it? Is it a thumbs up? Do I recommend it? So stay tuned for me again in a second when I cut to myself. All right then, see everyone in a few minutes or a few seconds. Hi everyone. So fast forward 4.5 hours, give or take. So I've had this, like I said, for nearly over 4.5 hours. I've been out and about, shopping, a bit of walking in the park as well. And I tend to buy headphones, mostly used for home use, really. I prefer using earbuds when I'm outside. So this is the first time I really actually did a hands-on impression, unboxing with headphones, really. The first thing you notice, because this is very glossy, you will notice straight away a lot of smudges. Your hands can get grimy after a few hours. But I've got to say, it's actually quite comfortable. The only downside is when you try to adjust it, there's no how do you say? Some headphones will have like a click to know that's first level, second level, third level, right? This one doesn't have that, so you kind of got to adjust it evenly, manually on both sides. But when you do get it, this actually is quite comfortable. I do actually think it's quite comfortable. But like I said, this can be a bit annoying sometimes. Just some headphones, you can just click it in stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. This doesn't have that. Right. Apart from maybe the grimy, the cups are very, very comfortable. I do think it's comfortable overall. I gotta say, the sound is actually really good. I do think it's really good. And I tried both USB-C to the phone. Also tried the headphone jack. I didn't use the USB-C or the headphone jack from the actual inside the box. I still got them brand new. I just used my whatever I got. I gotta say, the headphone jack and the Bluetooth is pretty evenly matched. I would say Bluetooth probably edges it, and I'll tell you why later on. The worst one is probably USB-C to C. Feels like it's lacking. Feels like the sound is from a distance. The sound is really good. Really do like it. There's ANC, noise cancelling as well. There's different levels. The functions or the controls is actually quite innovative. So this is like a scroller, left and right. That's for volume. You can press it down once and it pauses. Oops. Okay, so you can hear that already. If you push it down, going left or right, you can increase the ANC. This one, I thought it was a volume going up. I'm trying to press it, but it's actually, you click left and right to skip songs. So if you go right, that goes forward. You go left or push back, that'll be going back to one song. When I set this up, I was like, where the hell is the sync button? Because once you set this up, it automatically goes into the Nothing Phone. Actually give you a tutorial, which is good. It's actually this little button here. You press it about 2 seconds and the lights start blinking. And also you got to make sure that you switch it on. A couple of seconds in and it automatically syncs in. And then when you go in here, you will get like the app. Where is my fingerprint? Okay. So you get the app. It's called, where is it? Nothing X. So, like I said, I had 100% charge. I've been out for nearly, like I said, over 4 hours now, and I still got 90%. Battery is really good. So if it's 90% after over 4 hours, like pretty non-stop really. Walking around with it easily, if you do the maths, over a week easily. So there you go. That's headphone. You can see straight away, Nothing Headphones. You come down, you got noise cancelling. You can put low, mid, I put it on high. You got transparent, and you got off. I just put on noise cancelling. I put it on cine concert. You got all these different modes. It tells you what it looks like, how it is. Then you got bass. I put it on level 1. You got equalizers. You can. I just left it as that. But you can go into explore. You've got other samples here if you want to, but you can see the name of it, and you got download it, import it, which I can't be bothered. I just stick it as default, but you can if you want to. You've got control hop. There you go. Control default connections. You got a bunch of stuff, but I just kept it pretty cool. Just basic really. And I got to tell you, this sounds good. I think just between mid to high bass is, noise cancelling is probably best. Noise cancelling is alright. It blocks out most sound. There was a few times you can still hear traffic. I was walking in the street. You can still hear traffic. It's not that bad. It doesn't disturb you or anything like that. You know, today's was a bit windy in the park, so you heard some wind, but everything was just pretty minor. Overall, the noise cancelling was really, really good. Yeah. Let me just go into some songs. Okay, you see I'm playing it now. Okay then. I downloaded the new BTS album. You can see, hopefully you can see, if I move this, and you can see the volume. Here you go. You see the volume there. Yep. Then of course you can click it. You can see it's going to the next song. Next song, you can see that going down. It's gone down again. You can see that blue bit. Let me push it back. Hopefully, whoops, my hand's in the way. The light's in the way. Let me see if I can get this one. Okay, so you can see it's on BTS, One More Night. Really good song. I like the new album, by the way. Okay. See, body to body, pretty good. Even download Taeyang's classic wedding dress. If you're into K-pop, you know what I mean. Okay, you can see it going up. Pretty cool. And then you hold this button to pause it. There you go. All pretty good. So overall, I do like it. I really do actually think it's pretty good. A couple of things. I wish that you can twist both sides, only one side. Design wise, I actually don't mind it. I need to get used to the square, kind of squarish outside, because all my headphones has that kind of semicircle round. I think it's comfortable. It's pretty well built. Yeah, sounds good. I mean, £149. It actually beats a lot of quality. I mean, Sony's, Bose, all those ones. You're talking about £250, £300. So for 140 is actually a really good deal. So I actually do recommend it if you are looking for a really good sound, good noise cancelling, bassy, rich sound, long battery life. By the way, like I said, I had it over 4 hours. I still got 90% of battery life, and you don't want to break the bank account. 149 is actually pretty worth it, and it's actually pretty well built, I said. But you can see it does get grimy, does get a bit grimy. So you need to probably carry. Sorry about that. My sister just sneezed. You probably need to carry like a cloth to clean it. But all in all, I do like it. I really do like it. All right then. That wraps up a little hands-on impression with the Nothing Headphones A. Yeah. Please like and subscribe, all that cool stuff, and get back to me soon. Hopefully I got something next week. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. And please stay safe. Goodbye now.